It's a video.
It's been a long time.
It's been quite a while.
It's been quite a while.
Up here in Big White now with the mad card Mitchell fucking O'Connor over here.
The boys, they're definitely in town. They've been on my case about making another video, and I think it's time it happened. So Ronnoc Vlogo is coming out of retirement for today, and
you got a lot of, bro.
Hey man,
Do you want a ciggy?
smoking ciggies just for gay cunts, eh?
Siggy up, brain. What you doing, mate? Siggy butt, brain.
It's definitely a ciggy butt, right? That's for sure.
But yeah, so Big White's had about 40 centimeters over the last 24 hours. So we'll probably go do our favorite run through the trees at good old Black Forest, and then end up at the park because it's nice and soft, and should be a good time. Also, shout out to Yama Society. You. Yeah.
Hey, this is present me making this video, and just wanted to add this one little thing in. This next song I'm about to play in this video is created by my friend John, the guy with the long blonde hair, smokes ciggies, drinks beers and Doris mine. But yeah, so it's a little bit of a plug to him. He doesn't really have like a production page or a music producer page, but it's definitely something that I'd personally like for him to do and push. So if you guys enjoy the song, which he created all on his own, every single bit of it is all him, let me know, drop a comment, I don't know, however you can, to hopefully push this guy to take what he loves doing and really good at the next step. So yeah, I'll put his Instagram in the thing anyway, even though he doesn't really upload anything there, but I really think he should start doing this. So yeah, but anyway, back to the video.
You gonna full saucer, Johnny? Yeah, hot curry, mate. Don't some of these cunts are turning down there. They're about to turn down there. Just go straight past them. Fuck it. Give us some curry, mate. Dude, that was so much curry! Oh, holy shit! Dude, that was so much curry! Scheme of things, that's a lot of hot curry, man. Like, you curried the fuck out of that, dude. That was some tandoori chicken up in this bitch.
That scared the shit out of me.
Actually pretty good, eh? Still
Modern day lyricist though. Songbird of his generation.
I've got a few other songs here I want to do. Skirt-daddle-daddle-doo. Skirt-daddle-doo. We've got some skirt-daddle-doo now. Skirt-daddle-daddle-doo. Skirt-daddle-doo. We've got some skirt-daddle-doo now. Skirt-daddle-daddle, maybe. Punch her, baby. It'll make you feel like a real man. Skirt-daddle-daddle-doo. Punch her, bloke. You've punched too many, baby.
There you have it, folks. That's That's what's happening, man. That's what's happening. That's what happens. You got it down though. Oh. Oh, JK. What the fuck?
Oh man, that was so fucking.